nandito nga po tayo sa ML. Kalaban natin ang tropa nating si Kaiser.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Tara, men! Doyo! Takbo!
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Doyo, takbo, tol!
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Partida, tol. Wala pa akong build.
Knowing is not enough.
Sige.
We must apply.
Tara, men!
Your team destroyed a turret.
Boxing is not a way to hurt
Alin, ano
somebody,
Facebook
but
mo? Ay, ano yung YouTube mo? Search ko.
Alin? Bisinggan nyo.
Ha?
Alin?
Nagsisinggan?
the man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Partida, guys. Wala tayong item.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Oy! Dito! Sa gitna!
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Oy, gilid! Kaiser!
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Ito na.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Uli ka!
Takbo!
Alin, inulit ko na? Alin?
Dinulit ko na.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Ang tumal, guys. Natakbo po yung kalaban
Boxing
namin.
is not a way to hurt somebody,
Mga tol.
but in order.
Natakbo po yung kalaban namin eh. Oh, partida, tipi-tipi.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Partida, tipi-tipi pa yan oh.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Hindi ka dito. Nandiyan. Partida,
Hindi ako
The man who
dalawa.
can beat me has not been born yet.
Destroyed
partida,
a turret.
tipi-tipi lang yan. Oo, yun. Kala ko ba
Knowing
malakas
is
ka
not enough.
dyan.
We must
Destroyed a
apply.
turret.
Oo, yun. Tumal. Gulp.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Alin, hihintayin ko yung post mo ah.
Gulp.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Our turret is under attack.
Empty your cup.
Slain. Wiped out. Hindi ako ah.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Isa pang game to pagkatapos nito.
Everybody has to
Are you
start
serious
somewhere.
right now, bro? Sino kayo natawag sa'yo, Tol?
Dito ko tol. Tapusin muna natin ito.
Yung ating to. Sa gitna. Ako
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in
Titi-titi
order.
pa yan, oh.
Speed defines the winner. Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Nice. Di. Ha? Wala, ice cream code. Nandito. Mel, dito ka.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Ito, Mel.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply. The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
I'm gonna make you more.
Boxing is not a way to hurt someone, but an order. Empty your cups in order to fill it again. Everybody has to start somewhere.
Ano ba yan, mga tol? Wala pa tayong matapos.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Hoy, no need. Ano lang.
Our turret is under attack.
Kaya, Jay. Laro daw, sabi ni Kaiser.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Ano?
Di daw kaya, sabi.
Yabang, yabang. Sakto lang.
Sakto lang daw.
Kaya naman, konti. Turret has been destroyed.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but an order. The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Bugi, may kasama. Kung wala kang kasama rin, baka patay ka
Not
namin
knowing
na pa.
oneself, that's the worst. Everybody has to start somewhere.
Ewan ko dyan kay Kaiser. Siya nagsabi.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but an order.
Kaya pala si Alin malakas, ay si Mil malakas eh.
Knowing is not enough. We must
Kay
apply.
Caesar.
Gawin guys. Lucky!
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Oh, Lucky! I mean, yeah.
The man who can beat me has not
Alin,
been born
tapatan
yet.
tayo dito.
No.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Kinakagit ako ni Larry.
I could not see anything but darkness.
Your team destroyed a turret. Ano?
In the
Ito na
world
yung
of Kung
favorite
Fu,
kong kalaban.
speed defines the winner.
Ganda wala akong mag-isa. Oo, mayabang mo.
Tol, 2v2 tayo.
Dito tayo, Dinda. 2v1, ako mag-isa kayong dalawa ni Allen. 2v3, kung malakas ka.
2v2. 2v2 parang patas.
Tara, ano? Dito, Samir.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but an order. The man who can beat me has not been born
Bugi ako.
yet.
Kunat dito ang panig ka.
Bakit ka mag-baseball?
To your cup in order to fill it again.
Dalawa ni Tantan.
Knowing is not enough.
Oh, buta na.
Darkness. Darkness.
Daya.
Sisiba, babangon tayo.
Ah, yabang.
Hoy, di ako magyayabang.
Yabang ka pag ikaw.
Ano niya? Ano gamit niya?
Ano, pani. Magaling siya mag-pani. Ano, complete build na Ay, sir, ang daya mo.
Hindi talaga. Sakto lang naman lakas ko.
Partida. Partida.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Attack.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner. Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
But kunin ko na rin yung laptop.
I could not see anything. Darkness.
Baba yung minions. Tol, panalo pa din ako, tol. 6-5.
No, panalo.
Victory! Panalo ako, 6-9.
Tatlo nila Mel. Oh, ang daya. Ang daya.
Kuya, ano? Panalo ako, 6-5.
Wala, talo ka.